So let's see how to construct full adder simulator in mobile. So for this we need to install this Logic Circuit Simulator Pro. Now let me open this app. So now in order to construct a new circuit, so at the right hand side bottom corner we are having this symbol, just click on that. So we will get a circuit board, just click on continue. So we will get a circuit board. So in this circuit board we can construct our required circuit. So for the construction of a half adder we require 2 AND gates, 2 XOR gates and 1 OR gate. So let's select those gates. So at the right hand side bottom corner we have this AND gate symbol, just click on it. So on clicking this, are all the elements available in this app be seen. So flip-flops, latches, generators, timers, outputs. So let's select our required gates, that is 2 input AND gate. So just click on 2 input AND gate. So element added successfully. Just click at any point on circuit board. So just place it here. And next we require, so next we need XOR gate. So just click on the symbol again. So here we are having XOR gate. So element added successfully. Just click at any point on circuit board. So just place this below this certain distance so that we can see the connections clearly. And next again we require 1 AND gate and 1 XOR gate. So just click on this gate. So click element added successfully. Just place it over here in front of this. So another AND gate, and again we require XOR gate. So just click on XOR gate. So element added successfully. Just place it below this. And next finally we are having XOR gate. OR gate. So just click on OR gate. So element added successfully. Just place it over here. Just here. So next let us select nodes for the inputs, that is ABC. So at this you are having connection node. Just click on this. Just place it over here for the input A. This is the node for A's input. Next again click on this and select node, and this is for B input node for the input B. And next again click on node. So this is for C input. So here we have to give it over here for this gate. So as gate 1. So here over here this will be given at this XOR gate. Over here. Now for the output we can see the output had the LEDs. So just select RGB LEDs for seeing the output. So for this is for 1 gate, that is for carry's output will be at this OR gate, and sum's output will be at this XOR gate. So just click on another LED. So just place this over here. So now let's minimize zoom out so that you can see which element is present where. You can see it. So now this is nothing but A's input, B's input and C's input, these nodes. So for A's input would be, now let's start giving connections to everything. So A's input will be given to AND gate as well as XOR gate. So just click on connect from this A's input to this gate, and next click on connect. this A to XOR gate. One of the input of this XOR gate is this A. And next, from B to, click on connect B to XOR gates input. Again from B to, so these lines you can slide it in this manner. So we should see which line is being connected to which line. So sliders, we can use sliders to adjust them properly. So this is A's input and this is B's input. So at the A input we can give low or high. Just that is 1 or 0. So just click on high. So just place it over here and low for 0 input. You can switch between these two. The same way for B also. Click on high. So this is facing down. So it must face upward. So for that, just at the top you are having multi-touch, connect, label, setup. So rotate. So once again, so it rotates to 90 degrees. So here B's inputs, it can be 1 or 0. So now for 0, low. So just place it over here and rotate it also. Rotate, rotate. And next thing is, so let's start giving connections over here. So carry and sum. So here XOR gate output would be given to AND gate. So just click on connect. And our AND gate's output would be given to OR gate. OR gate. And again in this circuit, C is being given as input to both AND gate and XOR gate. So just click on connect C to XOR gate and C to AND gate. And again at C we can have high or low. That means 0 or 1. So just click on high and place it over here and just rotate it. And again just click on low. Place it over here. Click on rotate. So here we can give C's input to, that is C. And one of the inputs of this XOR gate is this output of this XOR gate 2. So just click on connect XOR gate output, XOR gate 2's output to XOR gate 4's input. So finally we have connected this, and output of this AND gate would be given to XOR gate. OR gate. So click on connect AND gate. So they both have been connected, and output of XOR gate. So we get the outputs from OR gate and this XOR gate 4. At the XOR gate 4 we get sum as the output. So click on XOR gate and green. And here we can choose another color. Output of OR gate, that is here we get, at the OR gate we get carry as the output. So click on this and click on red. So for sum we will get green color, and for this carry we would get red color. So let us start giving inputs. So initially when all the inputs are 0, so when all the inputs are 0, we would get carry and sum 0. So let's see it. So let's click on connect A to low. A low. Connect A to low. Connect. Next click on connect B to low. And next click on connect C to low. So if we see here, no bulb is glowing, no LED is glowing. So for all A, B, C 0, sum and carry is 0. Now let's connect C to high. Let's see what happens. So in order to delete this low connection here, just click on that connection and at the top cut, copy, paste, delete. So that connection will be deleted. Now just click on connect high to C. So we can see that green bulb is glowing. So if one of the inputs is 1, then the sum will be 1. So in among A, B, C, C is being 1. So we are getting green LED. In the same way we can test for A0 and A0, B1, C0. So for that we need to delete. So just click on this connection and delete. So now connect C to 0 and now A has to be 1. So just click on connect. So first let's delete this connection. Delete A to 1. So you can see now also the green color bulb is glowing. So when A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0, the output is the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now let's shift if two of the inputs are 1, what happens? So for that let's connect B to high. Before that let's delete this. Just click on this connection, just click delete. Now click on connect B to high. So when both the inputs, when among the three inputs, when two of the inputs are 1, so in that case carry would be 1 and sum would be 0. So here red bulb is glowing, so red bulb is nothing but carry. When two of the inputs is 1, carry is 1 and sum is 0. Now another case when all the three inputs are 1. So here already A is 1, B is 1. Now let's connect C to 1. So here you are having this, just click on this connection and select cut, that is delete. So that connection will be deleted. Now let's connect high to C. So now both the bulbs are glowing. This indicates in this case both sum and carry are 1. So when all the three inputs are 1, we would have both sum and carry equals to 1. So here sum is nothing but XOR gate green color and carry is red color. So in this manner we can perform simple simulation of this full adder. In this way we can verify half adders by using this Logic Circuit Simulator Pro app. So thank you.